Hello, I would like to talk to you today about manual data analysis. What is manual data analysis? Manual data analysis means analysing data by hand rather than using computers. I have made another short video about digital data analysis, which is the other main method of analysing data. There are many ways to analyse data manually, and the way that you choose will depend on your skills, your abilities, your inclinations, and your resources. Manual analysis is best done with small data sets. One good tip is, wherever possible, make copies or take photos of your data, then work with those copies or photos while keeping the originals intact, so if necessary you can make more copies or photos as you go along. You might choose to spread out all your data onto the floor maybe, or onto a big table and play with it, create groupings and photograph them, and then create different groupings and photograph those, maybe mark relationships with ribbons and pins or small stones to hold the ribbons in place. You can highlight sections in colour and so on. But not everyone has enough undisturbed space or the physical ability to crawl around on the floor in the middle of their data or work on a big table. So another option is to divide up your data and work with one section of it at a time. For example, if you've got primary data, say a set of interview transcripts, you might divide those up by participants' ethnicities. Or if you have secondary data, say you've got data from newspapers, magazines, comics and leaflets, you could divide that data up by its source format, so deal with the newspaper data first, then the magazine data and so on. You can divide your data in different ways to see what each type of division tells you about what you're finding in the data as you work through it. There is much more to manual data analysis than this, but these are the basics, and this should give you some idea of whether you would like to find out more about manual data analysis or whether the idea horrifies you, in which case you probably want to find out about digital data analysis. If both kinds horrify you, you're out of luck because you're going to need to do one or the other.